Hi, I'm Cash with CashedOutCars, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look and giving you guys an overview at these Volkswagen Monster Mats. Now, these Monster Mats are an OEM option from Volkswagen or something you could buy afterwards if you don't get these with your initial purchase of your car, as is the case here. And these mats are pretty much an all-weather floor mat that's designed to trap snow and dirt that you might track into your car so it doesn't get all over the carpeting. Initial impressions of these mats, which are designed for a MK6 GTI, every model will have slightly different mats, and these are for the MK6 GTI like I just said, is that the hex pattern here looks like it actually would trap a lot of snow and dirt and would actually do its job very well. And I also really like how this hex pattern here matches up to the hex pattern in the grille of the GTI, but like I said, that's specific to the GTI, that's not for every model. And another first impression is that these mats are actually very, very soft rubber. You could really just fold them up, and they're very pliable, I would say, which is something that I wasn't really expecting since I do have these mats in my Rabbit, and those mats are a lot firmer, but they're also older and might have firmed up as they aged. Another thing that I like about these mats is they come with these nice spines on the back which dig into carpet and really hold them in place. And that's important, especially for the back ones, since the back ones don't have any pegs to clip into the floor like the front ones do. As you can see here, the front ones have these nice clips which go into pegs in the floor, which prevent these mats from sliding around while you're driving and getting caught in the pedals. Now, on the packaging, it does say you want to be careful with these mats so they don't get caught in the pedals. But I could say with experience with the mats that I have in my Rabbit, that I haven't had a problem with them sliding, and that the ones in the Rabbit aren't secured quite as well with these clips as the GTI mats. So with that said, I would say that these mats initially are very good quality. I will say that the ones in my Rabbit are very worn out, but I'm guessing that the guy that I bought that car from used the mats pretty much the whole time that he had that, and that has 140,000 miles, so I would say that's decent wear. And now that I talked a little bit about first impressions, let's get these in the car and show you how they look. So there's really nothing to installing these mats. Pretty much all you have to do is slide them into place and line up these pegs on the driver and passenger side, which clip into these mats, which like I said is very nice with the GTI mats. And that's not really how my Rabbit ones work for my Mark V, because those literally just slip over pegs, whereas these you press down and they clip into place really nice, which prevents them from moving. And that's really all there is for installation. They fit very nice in there. Like I said, they're an OEM mat, so you would expect them to fit nice. And they do look good. Like I said, they match the grille and they match the color scheme with the red GTI and the red stitching. So I think they look great, and they definitely will do their job well. So now I'll show you putting the back in. Now the back, like I was saying, is super, super simple. Literally all you do is line it up and set it down in place, and those little rubber spines on the back grip into the carpet so it won't move. There's no clips or anything back here because it's not as critical, like it won't get stuck under the pedals if it does move. So literally place it in place and you're good to go. So that's it for this video. If you're looking for a mat that's around $100 and is OEM, so you know it'll fit your car and look good and be pretty high quality, these Volkswagen Monster Mats are definitely the way to go for your Volkswagen. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.